Good afternoon, all. This is Fadi Hemzi. It's 4:40 p.m. on December 20th, uh, 2023. I think it's the last day of fall, and officially winter begins tomorrow. From the way um the planets lined up, the sun and Earth. So okay, couple of things. First of all, housekeeping stuff quickly. As I mentioned in the last couple of sessions, I've been thinking about my time. As you know, we're getting very, very busy on the asset management side. And we're obviously going to keep PMT. PMT is crucial for my own usage. Uh, but time is of essence. Also, what triggered it was a fellow who wrote to me saying, I'm a paying customer. If and I think you give too much out on the on these free webinars. I said, no, we're not. We don't show the trade. We do talk about what's going on. We talk about what the charts formations are. But then that was a trigger. I said, you know what? We'll go to every other week. So starting next year, because today's our last webinar of the year, we will be doing every other one. So like the 10th will go away, 17th will go away. It will be 3 and 24 in January. I'll fix that. But that's step one. Again, we encourage you to come here because you can't ask questions from a recorded webinar. The other item is, as we discussed laboriously and patiently, is getting my ass kicked on the time and digest, but not giving you guys a trade, so you don't get blown out. We were waiting for a pullback, and I think we got it. The bearish engulfing is as bearish it gets, and we moved to Sigma. That you don't. Why didn't catch this? You don't know what that is. There's no way you can know. You can know when that is until it happens. You can't pre-guess it. You could have sat here and guessed that and get killed. I'm sorry. What's the problem? You have a speaker problem? No, we have a. It's a stereo headset. So you should be okay. Yeah. If not, maybe I don't know. Maybe you need some tea, as Tico would say, or maybe your PC should read more Rumi. Yeah, exactly. But anyhow, this is a bearish engulfing. It's as bearish as it gets. We had a huge run up, and obviously I'm behind about 4 or 5, no, about 6, almost 6%. Let's see. Let's go here. Oh, not the email. I'm sorry, not there. Let me go to this, and yeah, I post the chart also. Now I don't know where the low was. Hold on. Where we delivered. That's oh yeah. Oh, 4697. We closed at low of the day, so it's 4697 was the low, right? 6898. Okay, so let's go there. Plug that in. No, it's a very either we jump out early or you have to sit through, but we not add any new trade. So 4698. There we go. Yeah, about 6.5%. Okay. So last 40 days, it's been difficult, but it is what it is. Yeah, we're not going to win all the time. It's the wrong business. But when we win big. So now I've been saying because of the bond market, asset prices have to be repriced and fairly decently, and you're going to see that if previous history is any guide. So that's all the last trade. This was updated today. There was a timestamp and all that. So this was an ass, and that's where we are. It is what it is. So now day trades in the futures, we go short term. That's what the machine tells us, and we've done very, very well today. I did about 2%, yeah. But 3 trades. I was just doing some each time, and they pulled me in. This drop was massive. Why don't we go through our usual routine? So we talked about schedule changed a little bit on PMT webinars every other week, same time. And also tomorrow morning. Yeah, I got a procedure in the afternoon. By the morning, if things line up, we'll put a short trade on. Put a spread. If not, we'll be Friday. I rather like to wait a little bit longer, but I think this is a good enough signal to go there. So, okay, let's look at calendar. We have also GDP. Yes, that actually tomorrow is a good one. Yeah. So I'll probably work on it tonight. Have some of the legwork done, but you won't hear anything officially, which is through emails from Admiral Tico, until midday tomorrow, or not midday, but let's say between. Sorry, I have some medication I have to take, so that's interfering with me. Between 10:30 to 11:30, because after that I'll be gone. But I'll preset everything. I just have to plug in the numbers, double check and go. Okay. GDP tomorrow. Hold on 1 second. Okay, here's I'm going to warn you. 5.2. This is a very big number. Let's see what comes in. Probably, I'm not an economist, so I don't think we're going to beat that. That's a very strong number. Anything near it is even good. We haven't had anything like this in, I don't know, years and years and years. Okay, or that's not decades and decades. So, and we're at new highs. So that's where the danger zone is in the market. 5.2. 3636. Yeah, watch this one too. That's a PCE. Yeah. Okay, that's GDP tomorrow at 8:30, followed by Java's claim. I get that. Always comes, but here's what we have. So we have a slew of the numbers. One is that also we have Philly Fed, which is Mid Atlantic. That's just fine. What do they have? Huh? Oh wow. Oh wow. Contraction. Okay. Yeah, maybe GDP will be on the lower side. Leading economic indicators, LEIs. They think it's going to get half as much better, huh? Than it was last. But excuse me. And then durable goods, especially I like the capex stuff. I like to see that, especially airplanes. See where we are. Not because I like airplanes, but those are massive expenditures. New orders are down. They think it should be coming back up. Okay. X transportation, yeah, slightly. There's some transportation is coming back in. That's the difference, right? And then core capital goods, which I don't relate to, says in line. I have no idea what that is. Okay, and then come on, guys, come on. Let me take this baby out. Boom, out of here. Good, go. All right, now new home sales, very important. Everybody's looking at it, especially down here. Everybody's wondering about what's happening to new home sales. I think we saw a surge on some of the mortgage applications because the yield come down. Yeah. But still, it's not a buying market. Yeah, we still got a couple of years to go, at least a year to go. But the average guy doesn't time these things. So 679, 690, yeah, 710, 685. So this is not really showing a big jump, but they think it's slightly better, right? Home sales, and then consumer sentiment. So what the hell we got today? There was something else we got today. Hold on, I'm sorry. Oh, that was consumer confidence. Yeah, consumer confidence came up pretty good. Yeah, pretty good there. If you look at it, it was a 9% move. That was quite a bit. So this gives them fuel to spend more as we go into the holidays. Okay. So that's it. It's our 5th week of the month, right? No, it's 4th week. I'm sorry, 4th week. Expressions already happened. We rolled the VX. And then next week is holiday season. It's going to be really, really no volume. So, okay. Any questions so far? Gary, I saw your message. We'll definitely do that. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Here's a bearish engulfing pattern. You can see that. And very high up, all-time high 48.19. And of course, that's profit taking. Notice at that time there was no news. If we go to IB, you can see, oh shit, hold on. Sorry, my French. Sorry, I'm under some medication because of timing. I have to have it. And it's like, I don't know, 7 pages of instructions killing me. Okay, here we go. You could see that's a 10-minute intraday day session only. .d how it started. This was just pure profit taking. From 2 o'clock they ran, and one bar I was long. I was very lucky. Of course, not using this indicator, not this layout. I was using the new Tiger Shark, Tiger Shark version 2.0 with with a filter that I'm just playing with, just trying to understand it. Um, and it was I came here about this part. I was just going through. Now we do plot these dots. Oh, what the hell? Okay, hold on. This is I got to change that dot. I will. This should be round, not plus. There was and we're looking at OTF version of it on the biggest screen. We keep on getting these dots that's coming in. Remember, those are not time dependent or activity dependent. I've never seen so many the dots we plot, and so I knew this is not getting better. But when it's because we went so far down, I said we may have a one, maybe twice chance for it to uh, uh, flip back, try to reverse back. One of the guys here came in on a private message and says, "Hey, we're gonna close out the lows of the day. There's more to go." I said, "I think you're right. I think you're right." And sure enough, we took all the rallies done and take it out. So that was a bear market rally, no question. I'm not saying we're selling the bear market. All I'm saying is that there was massive profit taking, and obviously someone has to do with those who were in the one TDs. Sorry, guys. One 1 day, 0 date options. They got wiped out. I mean, completely. There's no way up here they were short. Okay, and if they stayed long or away, they just wiped them out completely. So tough day. But for us, the 73 handle comes here. It gives us the signal we were looking for, which was we want to make sure that the uptrend was done. The uptrend was out of the way, and since there's no guarantees, we're just looking at best odds. I think we've seen that, especially as we approached +1 sigma. That's a very large move. So I want to share that with you. Uh, and now our window forward would be about a couple of weeks. This is our position. I know a number of you are asking me, aren't you going to give us a trade? Sorry. Go see the movie, Pat. We'll move on my schedule. Yeah. If things are not ready, we're not going to move. I don't care what the pressure is. If you want a quota system where you get so many trades a week, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that, but this is the wrong application. Yeah, log out. Log out and check out and do not renew. This is not it. No, this is market timing. The option is just a sweet kicker. Okay, that's all. It's not the other way around. If you were looking at options, you got an action. There are plenty of good folks out there. Go there. We close ours because I'm too busy. I'm too busy with the too much of a small minutia, and options takes a while. You gotta write it up. You gotta find it. You gotta find it. You gotta do a strategy. I'm sorry. You gotta find the stock pattern. You gotta find the strategy. You gotta write it up. Pick pick the chain of the option chain you want. The length of. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I had another procedure done on Monday. I'm having issues with it. Okay. So we can't. I just don't have the time now, and I'm very fortunate to have been funded massive amount, uh, 5 times what I was asking for. So at this time in my life, I cannot mess with that. That's not something that's going to happen every day. So priorities have shifted. We will continue to do PMT. We will do every other week webinars here, but we'll be diligent as we've been in the past. There's no question about that. So I have my name on the door. I have to keep that up, and I will. But we're not on a quota basis. We're event driven, and that was our event. Okay. Moving forward. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to make a ratio. We haven't done that. We'll build a ratio. Let me make a note here. Remember, we're middle of also update on Orb. It just, you know how busy we are. Sometimes I make that problem myself. Don't get me wrong. EW versus market cap. So I have to start a chart for you here to measure equal weighted. I can't talk. Yeah, I bit my tongue, and that's what the problem is. Equal weighted versus raw. Versus market cap. So I want to establish that. Obviously, I have no comment about it because I don't know how that looks. I'm sure other people have done that. Back to regular timer. This is huge. This is huge, huge, huge. So the best short, in my opinion, is probably the M. This one, the one after. So we'll see. We'll see how things are tomorrow. We may not go with the trade out tomorrow. There's no guarantee. I gotta see what I see in the morning. If I don't see it right, I'm not jumping in. So, but that's my current intent. Otherwise, Friday's gonna be tougher. And then next week we have a low volume. What I may do is go a little bit longer in duration. Okay, so don't be surprised. We go like to end of January. But you have to pick it from option chain at a time with volatility stuff. Rho, delta, and theta match what I want. So we'll take a look at that. And I'm not going to probably trade anything tomorrow morning other than this. When I trade futures and put a trade on for your PMT, it's always tough. So because this got priority, this got the right setup, this gets priority tomorrow. Okay. Look at what happened in transportation. Outside board also on the Russell. Yeah, this is the one that everybody talked about. Yeah, not if it does another gap down tomorrow, then you have island up there. Not good. Remember, it's candlesticks. Yeah. Wow. Look what a move we had on VIX. Not just 9%. Sorry, guys, I'm a little pain. It's 9% change, but also look at Sigma levels. Now, Sigma levels are going to be huge because they're so close to each other down here. But what we talked about last week, I said all good things will come to an end. You got it right here. Yeah. I said, did you see this cross? That's telling you that. That's the eye. Now, it could go sideways because this is the acceleration that's changing. No, that's the speed. I'm saying that's the speed that's changing. So from being a negative speed, we can get positive, but it doesn't mean this moves yet. So the CI diffs obviously kicked in. That we went positive from this cross. So it was in the works. So the issue is when they all lined up today, folks decided to line up and sell everything. Part of it's profit taking. It's a tax issue. Look where we've been. Look at Apple. Look at Microsoft. So we got treasuries. Last week we had a pretty decent drop on the FOMC. Remember that? And we dropped down a little bit on the longer term the next day. We're at support level 2 on the monthly. So we have come a long way, quite a bit long way. This is all good for real estate, long-term insurance, and cars. I'm going to do the best I can, guys. I'm in a lot of pain here. Okay. Nothing new here. We're 8 again, 8-0. We were, I think, 8-0 last week too. Yeah, yeah. But we kind of go from 4 up to 8 on one side or down, from -4 to -8. That's where the count really starts to see, okay, trend change is coming. And we got our trend change here, I think. Yeah. Let me look at something else. Yeah, I just came to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, okay. The other one that's important to look at is this. No, not DT. This we're gonna get to it. See that? That was from a new high to being neutral all in one day. So remember, this is SP2. I trust this than anything else. The spread is done. We're long. We long January and short. Uh, Let me verify. Yeah, we're long January, short April. So it's a 3 months forward, both next year and we saw how we dumped. The problem is this is not the bottom yet. I don't think so. So I'm cautious for tomorrow. I'm conditional, but I'm ready. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that up front. Last thing I want to do is send you guys a note to get in, and you were not prepared. Well, that day you weren't around, or you didn't check your phone. So please do that. Obviously on Twitter, we will make comments there. Best thing to do is follow Admiral Tico. He is our group leader, and as you know, he doesn't take prisoners. So let's see. Right here, go to Admiral Tico. There we go. This trade 1942 people. Remember, a month ago it was like 1,200. He's done really, really well recently. I don't know what he's doing. There's no advertisement. There's nothing. It's just people coming in. As a matter of fact, the Admiral Tico that I knew was this guy. Oh no, it's not here. Sorry, that's on Facebook. Sorry, it's on Facebook. Sorry. Look at my Admiral Tico there. Yeah, this is the what happened to Admiral Tico here? Huh? Oh, there we go. This is the Admiral Tico we knew. It is a Roman taking a bunch of uh, um, naps he takes, the union breaks between crude oil index futures. At this picture, he was 1 year old. Yeah, a little bit more. 14 months. I just gotten him. It was a week since I've gotten him. Yeah. Bless him. Okay. Thanks, Richard. You got it. See you. Happy New Year. And Merry Christmas, of course. So, coming back here, guys, treasuries we talked about, that's a DT. Okay, let's see. This dropped quite a bit, went to neutral, no question. We have a crossover there. This was peaking. We were talking about last week. We had all the signals that it's coming. Okay. Now, I didn't expect anything like this though to drop that big. We're still long. As a matter of fact, it just went long. Yeah. Usually, this hardly goes wrong because it's weekly. But went to a buy. Went too long last week. But it's usually, the trend really has to follow. I think we're a little bit early, but we'll see. I could be wrong there too. Who knows? Nobody knows. This was a good long buy, no question. And now we should have a short side coming in. So, okay. We were at kind of playing around with the 2 sigmas. We had 1, and the smaller, faster brethren dropped dramatically to -0. So, let's see what the skew is. Wow, look where the skew was. Yeah, the skew is telling you these guys are buying out of the money puts. Yeah, buying out of the money puts. Yeah, that was an event. Look what the level hit. Oh yeah, how did I miss that? Plus 164 and at sigma level. Beautiful.
You got to post a chart. I don't think Tico put this up. I think Tico's getting lazy. Yeah. So as he's getting more followers, he thinks job is done. It's a Navy sailor. Gotta get to work. Let's go to Larry. Negative 90. Yeah. So do we get a follow through? We're gonna find out. That's what we put the spreads on. I shouldn't be afraid of it. Just put the spreads on. Yeah. We may put a tighter stop on that. We'll see. So, but sometimes best is not to overreact because you're gonna fool your senses and you're gonna be over. We could be over cautious, and miss a run up. This is a uh, buying power index (BPI). Long here, still holding, pull back, but it's a little bit early for that to switch. Peter trades this long side only. He actually had the timing. He said in the chat, so he had a timing issue that was good. So he's actually taking a short term long signal here, long system, short term for tomorrow. He often does that. Near the end of the day, look at because he runs like a statistical anomaly thing. So if he sees something unusual, uh, he takes that as a trade for the next day. And then in the morning he tells you what he did. So okay, long here. This is the last long. Long here, short long, yeah, still holding. So S&P mid cap, uh, Russell, and still long on Nasdaq. Yeah. Don't understand this. We talked about it yesterday, actually, too. Not my cup of tea. All right, so what else do I do this? Don't forget this, guys. This is the event we were looking for. Yeah, I don't think he put it on the charts. Okay, on Twitter. For charts, make sure you follow to his account. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay. Now, let's go here. Okay, we're just pulling back. Is this today's? Yes, that's today. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. There's not going to be anything of value until we break the first line. So, but I would watch it. That's the 50. This is the 200. Yeah, it's going to take longer. Of course, this number doesn't sit down to here. They're both moving, so they're going to sometime collide around 70, I think, and here probably around like 84ish, 83, and yeah, 84ish. So that could be there tomorrow. But the 200 days going to take longer. All right. We had a good run up, and all good things must come to an end. Now, the problem I have with some of these folks is that they're too vested in their positions. They completely blow you out and say, "Oh no, you're wrong." Up to this year, up to actually pandemic. After pandemic, they're quiet. Yeah, they don't. Mum is the word. Yeah, Tico taught them a lesson they'll never forget. Listen, when you're down 7 mil, you will listen to a dog who told you should be going short and you didn't. Okay, yeah. This guy lost 7 mil by just being a cowboy. Now he constantly asks, "What does Tico think?" I said, "You should have thought of him when he told you, you schmuck." And of course, they had the comp account, but they didn't read the emails. These folks are very dangerous with their emails. That's why they have so much money. Yeah, exactly. Okay. What else are we doing? Oh, Mohsen is here. Mohsen, you want some charts? I'm sorry, guys. I'm under a lot of pain. I don't know what's happening to my. I bit my tongue. I'm in not a good situation, but this is like a day ago. It's still continuing. Let me. Is there anything I missed here? No, I don't think so. Okay. Let's go to our uh the market caps. We do the top 10 of Nasdaq, right? So let me close this. We want to look at the Q components, right? So Triple Q. It's not us, it's other machines. These machines are controlled not to do it while we're talking. Okay, this is going. Hold on. Okay. Where are my names? Going? No. Hold on. Where's the components? Oh, shit. I thought I tagged this. Sorry. I'm on a lot of pain. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okay. First one, Apple. Yeah, this is Apple. Okay. Yeah, still. This is, of course, his market cap name. I mean, this is big guys. This is if you actually go on my screen, I'll bring up the other screen on once this backup is finished. So we can get the actually real time percentage. It's at as of tonight. It looks like it was at 11% of Nasdaq, so of Qs. So, long story is a pause. Short story, if you want to play the short, although it could be dangerous, probably work good for a few days. But long story, but this action is done. So I would now, if you have existing positions, I would. It's not about our stock. So pare it down, but judiciously. Okay, don't dump all of it. No. Still is a good earner. Microsoft, yeah. Yeah. The Microsoft probably went up the most last year because of dollars, maybe up there with Nvidia. I'm talking about market cap dollars. Um, so on Microsoft, I would say the same thing. You know, it's very neutral now. It's very neutral near center line. So I'm not sure which way it's going to break, but if the sentiment continues to pull down, then you're going to see another large bar down. Look at where the uh, at 50 bar is, 358. It's also 4 sigma. As we go forward, these two should converge, and maybe there would be a bottom. So not right now, but I would keep the bias in mind. I've been pretty positive on what do you call it, with Amazon, and it's only down 1% today versus market that was 1.34. No, I'm sorry, 1.66. It actually went down more than the market did. Okay, averaged it. Okay. Ah. Okay. So Alpha 3 Sigma. Yeah, it's the same story, guys. The upside is probably done for now until sentiment changes. Remember, new money comes in first of the year, so you're gonna have probably some back and forth filling between now and the year end. If you want to lighten up, that's what you should do. I think Amazon should have a good Q4 reporting in early January, and so if you don't have it too much of a position, maybe you can ride it. This used to be a very strong, very high price stock, so obviously we can tolerate more now. Nvidia, same story, absolutely same story, and now it's down 2.6. Now, this is high beta. It's a very high beta name, so that's normal. The percentage drop will be that much bigger. Okay? Again, same story. Yeah, they all go together, really. Facebook, yeah, continues to try to go up, and it's holding up there, 0.34 in this market today. Negative. So yeah, this may continue up. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 3 sigma. We had plus 2 sigma up for the weekly. So 1 second. Okay. Broadcom. There we go. All right. Wow. That also have come down 2%. Same story again. Yeah. These are the top 10 components of the index we trade, fastest growing market cap in the world. So when they took it to the woodshed for punishment, it won't be easy. So it's happening. Okay, there we go. Google gap up today and not the only one to close positive today. Let me switch here to my Nasdaq. What I call Nasdaq 50. Yeah, it was the only one that's up. Yeah, wow, bleeding everywhere. Yeah, and it was much higher. Tesla and Adobe. Yep. Well, my dear friend, he got the 260s put to him. Uh, and so he was telling me over the holidays, over the weekend, I'm sorry, that, hey, that's okay with me. I said, you could be one of these days largest shareholder of Tesla after the crazy dude himself. Yeah, and he was laughing. But I convinced him to sell some calls. He did on Monday afternoon. He sold some calls so that he took some of the money back. I forgot what we sold 55s, I think. Yeah, but now I'm in trouble again. No, we sold 50s. Hold on. Let's see. No, let me. No, we sold 55s. We sold 55s. Still. Now we took some back. That's a big one. Yeah, that's not bigger than most. Let's see, and they're big names. Yeah, that's Tesla. Yeah. Okay, because that screen sorts it by percentage also and market cap. Guys, I'm gonna close this early. You don't know what pain I'm in, but as Daddy would say, big boys don't cry, so you can't. Okay, Adobe 1.4, kind of in line. Now this was a lot lower. If I give you a buy signal, I was wrong for now, but I still think at least it's the bear pricing. It was discounted, so where would this go? I have no idea, but as a percentage you have to watch. As a good component, it's number 10 now on the list. But I would watch for the 50 bar, which is 581, 582 as a support area. That's then you got cut it off. Yeah. Guys, any other questions for me? I am in deep trouble in my mouth. I don't know what I did, but don't be cut so short. But any questions you guys have for me? Again, got here late. Everything's being recorded. We're switching to twice a month. Every other Wednesday, we're gonna adjust the calendar. This is the last webinar for this year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all. Trade tomorrow 378 will go out. I have a procedure at 12:15, 12:30, I think. So I'm gonna be out of here early, but by 11 I have to have it launched. If not, I'll do it to Friday morning. I do realize next week is going to be difficult. I'm going because of low volume, but I will compensate for that with a longer term spread. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, it's just I bit my tongue, and it's actually it's a little bit it's like feels like a laceration, but it's a little bit sensitive. Thank you, Dennis. I appreciate that. Yeah. All right, boys and girls. Uh, this concludes our webinar, the last one for the year. Thank you for attending. Obviously, it's going to go get posted on YouTube as always, right here. And where's my YouTube here? Oh, come on. If I go here, I can do it through here, right? There we go. Oh, the orb data is coming in. Sorry. The orb data is coming in, and it's going to get posted for you guys. Where's this? Huh? Oh, that's not signed in. That's not me. Sorry, that's not my orb. You go through here. Oh, there we go. Go here. There we go. Sorry. Okay. Get posted here. Orb data is being. This is the orb data. We took the NQ's out. Nobody's using it. But the MNQs is posted today, to the day, because we made a deal with Fox to get that data to us daily. So we're not going to be behind. Okay. So you guys will know exactly what we have done. Okay. Thank you so much. See you next year. Bye now.